Hello everyone, in this video we'll talk about lights. Lights are very important in a video. A good lighting makes a good video. Light creates depth in your videos and make your videos look better and professional. For lighting, we mostly use a 3-point lighting system. In the 3-point lighting system, there are 3 main lights. Number 1, fill light, number 2, key light, and number 3 is a backlight. Fill light fills the subject and the room as a whole. Always make sure that your fill light is a soft light instead of a hard light. You can also go for a diffuser if it is required. You can also use your normal room light to get a fill light. Then comes the key light. A key light is the most powerful light and it creates depth and shadows in your videos. It will also help you to increase the depth of field by differentiating the subject from the background. Well, a key light is very important. You can go for a key light in a very budget platform like around 7,000 to 10,000 rupees, and a key light help you achieve better result and good professionalism in your videos. Last but not the least is the backlight. A backlight is a hard light which comes from the opposite side of the key light, and it helps to create an outline and differentiate the subject and the background. Well, that's all about the lighting, fill light, key light and backlight. Now we have almost covered everything about filmmaking, the key concept that you need to understand: lighting, camera movement, how camera works, different technical things and different concepts. Now it's time for you to move on and shoot some good videos. Try to send me on Instagram that what you have learned and how you have applied it in real life. Now you have got enough idea about filmmaking as a whole. Now you can become a good filmmaker if you have good creative ideas, good stories to tell. I recommend you to go and do it right now.